All right, next up we're going to put this shifter rod on. It's really just a dress up part. So you start by measuring the distance between here and here, the two nuts, and then unbolt this bolt and then the bolt on the back side of the shifter, and then unscrew everything off of there and put it back on here to match, and it should be exact. Okay everybody, got the shifter lever off. So what we'll do is match the threads here and put these at the exact same distance. Just unscrew these off the end, screw the lock nut off, screw the lock nut back on, put this back right where it sits on here, tighten the lock nut up, same thing for this side, okay? I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. Just look at how nice, high quality that looks. How much better that looks than this boring little metal rod.